A man should die gaunt and not bloated and overdone. There should be new words hidden in the shadows on his face, and like a wine glass in the perfect pitch he breaks. We'd be dumped into order out of buckets of sea salt. What was the first condiment? But always one rose grows through a littered lot of gravel. Oh, we're struck dumb and doomed when it doesn't. Flowers are how plants laugh, and not by joke or to ridicule. I never saw my parents try to make a thing like me. In time in the bathroom mirror, I learned to accept my body. I got jumped into living by a coven of midwives under a Dracula caped eclipse, like cutting through watermelon neat with a wire. You shoot sick from the hip and never miss. All the things inside me, I assume, are doing what they need to be doing. Always one rose grows through a littered lot of gravel. Oh, we're struck dumb and doomed when it doesn't. Always one rose grows through a littered lot of gravel. Struck dumb and doomed when it doesn't. Looks like a sky for shoeing horses under. Looks like a sky for shoeing horses under. Looks like a sky for shoeing horses under. Looks like a sky